Welcome back to Asian Reviews, and this is the sound test for the RockSoul wired keyboard with a membrane switch and a tricolor backlight, which I do have it in pulsating mode at the moment. So under the keys, we have a Cherry MX compatible stem right here. So it's a definitely very nice Cherry MX compatible Cherry MX switch compatible switch type, I guess you could say, so that you could put on custom Cherry MX keycaps onto this keyboard. Now this is a membrane keyboard, as you can hear. And yeah, so something that I forgot to mention in my review video is that not only does the clear stem of the switch light up, but the whole back plate of the keyboard lights up, so that's definitely nice. Now we're going to begin our sound test, so yeah. Here is a single key sound test. Here is a spacebar sound test. Here is a typing sound test. Here's a multi-key sound test. Here's a wavy sound test. And yeah, this is overall just really nice. And I must say that this is definitely a keyboard that you should get. It is around $40 on Amazon. And yeah, that was the sound test video for the RockSoul gaming keyboard. And if you do want to purchase the keyboard for yourself, everything will be down in the description. Make sure to go check out RockSoul. They did send me this product for review. If you did like this video, make sure to like it, because it shows me that you're enjoying the content and that you want to see more, as my channel is just so you can get the best out of your products. Anyways, I'm your one and only Asian from Asian Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!